In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these 5 rectangular options infographic slide in PowerPoint. As you can see here, you can add your title here, and then the 5 options can be added here. The detailed text, you can replace the text with your own text, and if you have the icons, you can add the icons here. So this is one design with this color. Then I have added some more colorful with different colors, you can see here. And one more slide I have made it where it is kind of a gray to black color combination, and if you want you can just make it a bigger also. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to view, enable the guides, go to insert shapes. From the rectangles, select this one which is rectangle top corners rounded. Draw the rectangle, maybe this much size. Then go to rotate, you can just rotate left 90 degrees, you can see here. And then you can just say align middle, and I'm going to just put it here. Now how much size you want, you can just change the size according to your need. So shape outline, make it no outline. And I'm going to change the background color. For that, right mouse click, go to format background, and I'm going to give some light color here. And this one I'm going to select and going to give the color as white, you can see here. Then I'm going to add 5 more rectangles. Go to insert shapes, select the rectangle, draw the rectangle. You can see this is one. Shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, any good color you can give. I'm going to give this color. Press Ctrl D, and I'm going to change the color to some other color and just attach to the second one. Press Ctrl D, you can give some other color. Then you can add one more with some different color, maybe this color, you can see here. And then the last one I'm going to use this one. Select this shape, press Ctrl D to group it, bring it here. Rotate, you can just say here rotate flip horizontal, and then put it here. And this color also you can change to any color of your choice. Now once this is done, I'm just going to give some shadow effect for this 1 2 3 4 and 5. Go to the effects, shadows. I'm just going to select maybe the offset right, you can see here it is not visible, so I'm just going to select first, and I'm just going to say bring to front. Now it is visible. I'm going to select the first and second, again bring this to front. Then I'm going to select third by using the shift key, again bring this to front. Then again select the fourth, because already the 3 is selected, so I'm selecting the fourth. Again bring to front, and then hold the shift key, select the fourth, and again bring to front. So you can see here the shadow effect got created. And then I'm going to insert shapes. I'm going to select the arrow right, just draw the arrow. Again, how much size you need, you can just increase or decrease. Sorry, you can see here this orange point, you can increase or decrease. Shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, make it white, you can see here something like this. And then it's time to add the text. Let's add the text. Go to insert text box, and I'm just going to say 01. Make it center align, give it white font, increase the size. I'm going to change to Century Gothic, and you can give some shadow effect and just put it here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. Let me just align it properly. So this is the second option, Ctrl D, you can see here. And then just change this to 2. This will be 3. This is 4, and this is 5. And then you can add some detail option also. Go to insert text, you can just add your detail text here. If you want, you can keep it the same color, Century Gothic, you can see here. And then just put it in the center. Just duplicate this, make sure that it is properly aligned, you can see here. So I've added the text, and if you have the icons, you can go to insert icons, and randomly you can just select some icons. You can see here I'm just going to select maybe some 5 icons, just insert it, bring it aside. I'm going to change the size to 0.4, height and width, you can see here, and I'm just going to add 1 by 1 font on this. You can see here. And if you want, you can give a shadow effect for this arrow also, and here you can add the title. Here you can say, I'm just going to say your title, and I'm going to change the direction. You can go to this text direction and then change to rotate all 270 degrees, increase the size, center align, increase the font size, and you can just add it here and change the font to Century Gothic. You can see here. So our design is ready, and then I'm just going to select all, press Ctrl G to group it, go to format, align center, align middle, and then you can right mouse click, ungroup it. Now if you want to give some different colors, you can give any color of your choice. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.